A hard-fought win for Rain or Shine was overshadowed by controversy. Head coach Yeng Guiao has called on the PBA to review an incident involving Meralco veteran Cliff Hodge, whom he described as the dirtiest player in the league. Let's find out more from Zeus Valdez.
Rain or Shine head coach Yeng Guiao did not hold back following the Elasto Painters 85-83 victory over Meralco, expressing concern over an incident that left Adrian Nocum hurt late in the third quarter. Guiao said the collision involving Meralco forward Cliff Hodge was another example of what he believes is a pattern of dangerous play.
Medyo kinabahan kami dun sa nangyari kay Adrian. Again, it's Cliff Hodge. Dami ng ganong insidente ni Cliff Hodge.
The veteran mentor then delivered his strongest criticism, saying Hodge's reputation has been built over years of similar incidents.
He's the dirtiest player in the league, I think. And dapat siguro tingnan ng liga yan. He's a danger to the other players in the game. So, his record speaks for itself.
Despite the post-game controversy, Guiao also turned his attention to his team's performance, admitting it was far from their best offensive showing of the conference. Rain or Shine missed 14 free throws and struggled to find its rhythm for much of the night, but made up for it with a defensive effort that held Meralco to just 36% shooting from the field.
Ito siguro isa sa mga pinakamasakang laro namin, but we found ways in the end game to carve out a win.
The victory extended Rain or Shine's winning streak to 4 games, while Guiao said he hopes the league will review the incident as part of its efforts to ensure player safety. Zeus Valdez, Billionaire News Channel.